How to get professional headshots without a photo shoot as a designer. So here is a well-known designer, James McDonald, and he recently did use Nano Banana model to try and get some professional headshots. And I actually think the results is pretty amazing. So I'm going to go through this process and take it a step further and add some simple effects as a designer. Okay, so let me go into Nano. Okay, so here you can see that I have just uploaded selfies, right? Just maybe slightly different poses, but this is the kind of pose I'm going for. Okay, so make some professional headshots of me with a dark minimal background. Okay, so I hit run and this is the first result. So I think this is okay, right? It's not too bad. So what happened next is I just chose one photo and I repeated the same prompt. And this is what happened from there. And I actually thought this was pretty decent, right? The smile is actually not too bad. This as well, it actually represents me pretty well. Okay. So, what happened is I did try to do soft key light to the professional headshots, but that didn't really come out well. However, I did like some of these. So the process is go into AI Studio, Google, use Nano Banana, take some selfies, and then the next step is just to bring that into Figma. Okay, so now I'm in Figma, and what you can do next is just crop it. Now, I'm going to just bring up the tools. You can have a boost resolution, which is AI. Okay, so I just did that completely free. I am on the professional plan, so I'm not sure if that's going to be free for everyone. But once I applied it, you can see the results here. It just improved the details of it. Okay, so you got this one here, and then, yeah, it did the output here, which I think is pretty cool. And then one more thing to show you is a tool. Okay, so you got this tool called Efecto, and this is by Pablo Stanley. So here you can upload your image, and you can see this style. You got ASCII, you got dither. Okay, you got different styles, and you can play around with the settings on here, which I think is absolutely nuts. So I'm going like 8 pixels because they're 8 pixel baseline. And I just think that's absolutely insane what you can do nowadays, right? And then you go into Framer. Let me try and get Framer up. Where are you, Framer? Not forgetting Framer. Okay, so hopefully I can bring this in this window. So this is a template I've been working on, right? But if you go to, let's just say the About page, okay? So this is one that I took a while ago, right? Which is not too bad. But I think I've grown my hair, so I'm just going to take the one that I got, and where did I put it? I've got so many files at the moment. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm actually just going to go back to Figma. Right, that's quite cheesy. Let's just get this one. So I'm going to export this. Okay, now I'm just going to bring it to the desktop for a quick one. Okay, and then go back to Framer. I'm going to choose, and I'm going to bring that in. And there you go. I think that is just super clean, professional. You can always change the lighting on there, but I think this is a really quick workflow for you to try out. If you do try out, let me know how you get on in the comments.